Well, I'm cooking a beef dish. This is a wonderful piece of fillet from Shropshire that goes well with some nice jus on side and bit of vegetables all over the place. So it's nicely decorated, some mushrooms, some carrots and some silver onions and some courgettes, bit of greenish. And on side, I'm giving a bit of starch, probably some horseradish mush. I have some beef stock ready, and with that I got some reduced beef glaze and some horseradish mash, some mushrooms, carrots, silver skin onion, some chives, courgettes, and a piece of nice tenderloin fillet steak. This is a nice fillet of beef. It's soft inside, very nice. And taking a bit of butter, put the butter in the pan, keep on side. Once it's hot enough, I'll be using the beef to seal all over the side. Yes, put the beef, and I'll put some seasoning on top, basically the salt and the crushed peppercorn. Next, salt. In the meantime, I can blanch the carrots. It needs to go inside the oven. Eight minutes. I'm going to cut the courgettes. Which I'm going to toss with some salt and pepper. With this, I'm going to saute the mushroom as well. I will take this chives, hold together. I'll do a fine chop and put on top of the horseradish mush. Make a nice, it give bit of color. I'm going to put on top. In the meantime, I'm going to put the sauce and the glaze together and reduce it. Next, on side, I'll toss the courgettes and the silver skin onion and mushroom as well. Just waiting for the butter to be hot enough. Yep, get reduced. I'll be using some seasoning, cracked black pepper, some salt, you need not to stir fry too much. Going to put all this tossed veg into this ceramic bowl. Going to put together. Reduce the fire. Very delicious as well. Going to put this mush in a small bowl. Keep for 5 minutes for resting. You need to take out the carrots. Put a bit of sauce on top. So the dish is finished. So we have a nice tenderloin steak. With that, some horseradish mush, bit of jus all over the place. I mean, drizzle all around. Then you got some silver skin onions, some baby carrots, and some courgettes, and some tossed mushrooms. Wonderful, nice combination.